everyone and welcome back. So today I'm showing you a quick and easy, simple, everyday makeup look. It's great for school, great for work and just mums who don't have a lot of time to get ready in the morning like myself. This takes me about 10 minutes and only using a few products and a couple of key brushes. I do this every day. It covers everything really well, as you can see, and it just gives me a put together look. So if you want to see how I achieve this, then just keep watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. See you soon, guys. Okay, so we're starting off with clean, dry skin, and I'm first going in with my Bobbi Brown eye cream in the Extra Eye Repair. Just applying this under both eyes and bringing it into the inner corner. This is just really nice and moisturising and just gives me a fresh, wide awake look and smooths everything out. Just dabbing this in with my finger. Then next I'm going in with my Bobbi Brown Hydrating Face Cream Moisturiser, and I'm just taking a small amount, rubbing it between both hands and just applying this all over my face, just to give me a good base for starting and just to make sure I'm hydrated and everything's moisturised. Then the next step we are doing is eye brightening. We are going in with the Bobbi Brown eye brightener in light bisque and just applying this with our ring finger in a dabbing motion all around the dark circles and right into the outer and inner corners of the eye. This just really brightens and lifts all the darkness, and as you can see it gives a really nice look. And then just repeating the same on the other side, just dabbing this in with our ring finger, just using a light patting motion right up along the lash line into the inner corner and the outer corner. I will then go in with the same product and just lighten up any areas of dark blemishes and around my nose, just to give everything a bright, fresh, wide awake look and give it an even base as possible. Then I'm going in with my Bourjois Paris Healthy Mix Anti-Fatigue Foundation. It's a 16-hour wear foundation and it's more on the medium coverage, and I'm just taking this with my Morphe foundation brush and just blending it all in. I'm even going to use this as my concealer, as we don't need a lot of products into the eye thanks to the Bobbi Brown Corrector, and just blending this all in, taking it down onto my neck, making sure that everything's covered evenly and everything's smooth. This is a really nice foundation in sort of a dewy finish, but not too oily. I do have normal to oily skin and this still works for me, and I just set it with a light powder. So again, just making sure that everything is really well blended, going over my eyelids, down my nose, and making sure that everything is covered. Patting it in, making sure that where I need the extra coverage, it is applied. Then next we are going with MAC Studio Fix powder in NW25 and just a large fluffy powder brush. This is a tart brush, and I'm just setting everything, and this just gives a nice finish and just adds extra coverage where I need it, and also applying it onto my eyes, as this helps to set everything so that nothing creases. Just making sure that everything is really well blended in, bringing it down my neck and under my chin just to make sure that we have no harsh lines. Then I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Skin Finish in Warm Glow and my Bare Minerals Full Flawless brush, just to warm up the skin. So I'm just hitting the high points of my cheek, my temples, my forehead, and I will just bring this around my jawline and down my neck just to blend everything in and make sure that we have no harsh lines. This just gives a really nice glow to the skin. Isn't too heavy, isn't too warm, isn't too ashy. It's just perfect. Then I'm going in with my MAC blush in Prism and my MAC stippling brush and just applying this to the apples of my cheeks, and also take this across the nose just to give this a more of a natural flushed look. This is a really nice sort of rose brown colour, and it's quite a natural blush colour for me. I'm then going back in with the Makeup Revolution Skin Finish and a fluffy blending brush, just to add a little bit of definition to my eyes. So I'm just blending this into the crease and on the outer part of the lid in windshield wiper motions, backwards and forwards. Making sure that everything is blended, and again, there's no harsh edges. The key to everything looking flawless is blend, blend, blend. And then I'm just taking whatever's left on the brush and running it under my lower lash line, just for some more definition. I'm then going in with my Makeup Revolution mascara and just giving my top and bottom lashes both a really good coat of mascara. This just opens up your eyes, makes you more awake, and makes you look more finished. Don't forget to hit your bottom lashes. Because you've applied the shadow, you need to balance that out with a light bit of mascara. Just really lifting my lashes up as I apply the mascara, just to give me a lifted look. This is a great makeup look. I can do this in between 5 to 10 minutes, including skincare. This is what I do every morning when I'm with Rupert, and it works. Next, I'm going in with a NYX Clear Brow Gel and just setting my brows. I'm quite fortunate to have quite a full brow naturally, but if you don't, then you can just as easily swap this out for a tinted brow gel or go in with a brow powder if you've got a little bit more time. But I just want something quick and easy, keep them in place and fluff them up a bit. Lastly, I'm going in with my Bobbi Brown Extra Lip Tint in Bare Pink. This is great moisturising lip balm with just a hint of colour, perfect just for every day. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed.